Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows, step by step. VS Code is one of the most popular code editors used by developers for Java, Python, JavaScript, AI development, cloud projects, and much more. Let's get started. Open your browser, search for VS Code download. From the search results, open the official Visual Studio Code website. The link is also available in the description below. Once you're on the website, click Download for Windows. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder, locate the installer file, double-click the installer to begin the installation. Once the installer opens, accept the license agreement, then click Next. Keep the default installation location, click Next. Keep the default Start menu folder, click Next. Now on additional tasks, enable Register Code as an editor. This allows VS Code to appear as an option while opening files from different applications. Also, enable Add to Path. This allows you to launch VS Code directly from Command Prompt or PowerShell. Then click Next. Now, click Install to begin the installation. VS Code will now be installed on your system. This may take a few moments. Meanwhile, here's why developers love VS Code. It supports extensions, built-in Git integration, an integrated terminal, and powerful AI coding tools. That's why it's one of the most popular code editors today. Once the installation is complete, make sure Launch Visual Studio Code is checked. This will automatically open VS Code after setup is finished. Now, click Finish. As you can see, VS Code has now opened automatically after installation. You can also verify the installation using Terminal. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type code --version. Press Enter. If VS Code is installed correctly, you'll see the version details displayed. And that's it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows. If you want to go further, I've got more videos coming up right after this. Make sure to check them out. If this video helped you, hit like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.